Hey guys, it's your girl Frankie here, and I am back and better than ever. So what I did, I put some moisturizer on my lips, and right now I'm just putting some shea butter all over my face. You got to keep your skin hydrated because your makeup goes on a lot better when your skin is hydrated. So after I hydrate my skin, then I will go in with my hard candy primer, the Sheer NB primer, all over my face before I actually get to my eyes. So I want that all to kind of set, and then I'm gonna do my eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the Hard Candy Glamoflauge heavy duty concealer in the color caramel. So I'm putting that all over my eyelids. So once I have done that, I am going to put on my translucent powder. And every product that I use, I will list down below because some of them I can't remember the names. But yeah, I put on some translucent powder just to set my concealer for my eyes. And the palettes that I'm using today are from Juvia's place. And the first one is the Festival palette. It was a color in there that I really liked. I can't pronounce some of the names, but it was a color I liked it, but it did not show up like I wanted it to. So I ended up switching to the Saharan Zulu By Juvia's palette with the brightest color that they have. So I did that under my brow bone first. And I'm just going to put that on, to give you a little brow bone, a little pop. You always can put it on at the end or so, but for this tutorial, I did it at the beginning because I always forget to put it on anyways. So I just did it at the beginning. So now I'm going to go in with the Saharan palette, and I'm taking this kind of like you can't really see on the camera, but it's kind of like a brown color, and I'm using it as a transition color. So I'm using that to transition into darker shades. But yeah, I've been pretty busy with school, but now that I am done and my graduation's coming up, I have time to get some videos out for you guys. So hopefully I can get with it. So I'm gonna go back in with the Festival palette, and I'm going in with this like red color. For some reason it shows up like a pinkish color on camera, so I don't know if it has pink in it, whatever, but it looked good, so I just went with it. But I really wanted red, but this will do, so I'm just gonna go in with that. So yeah, so I've been pretty busy and getting my life together and stuff, so I am happy to say that I am graduating, so I will definitely be getting more videos out for you guys. So then I go in with the Zulu palette with this supposed to be red color, but yeah, it's not showing up as red, but it still looks good, so we're gonna keep going. So I'm gonna go in with that, and then I'm gonna go back in with the Sahara 1 palette because it has this black, and this black is bomb, y'all. Like, it's called Chad. It shows up, as you can see on camera, so freaking good. This is like the best black I have tried from like a company with eyeshadows. Like, you don't even need a lot. It's amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that a little bit above my crease. My eyes are a little small, so I have to make them look a little big. So you're going to go above your crease just a little bit, and I am going to blend it out a little bit so it won't be too harsh on my eyes with my makeup look. So that is what I'm doing right now. And now I'm just going to go back in with the concealer that I used earlier to set my eyes, to prime it, by Hard Candy and Caramel concealer. I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. And guys, I just literally while making this video, I just was looking at these palettes, like what can I do, and I just started putting colors together, and it actually came out pretty good. So I'm really happy that I recorded it, because I actually ended up really loving this look. So I'm just gonna cut the crease. You want to be, you know, pretty neat with cutting your crease, but if you do mess up, it's not a big deal. You can always go back in with your colors and go over it and just recut your crease. And once I cut my crease, I do not actually set it with a setting powder. I actually just go in with the colors that I'm going to use. So you're going to let it dry for a little bit and then go in with your colors, because to me, it makes it show way more pigmented when you go in with the colors directly on top of the concealer instead of setting it and then doing the color. So, I mean, but it's definitely up to you on how you want to do it. But that is just how I've learned that it works best for me. So that is what I'm doing. And yes, my son is in the background. As you can see, the little background is moving everything because he is a rebel. But I'm going to go into my Saharan palette, and I'm going to take a gold. So I'm starting off with like a gold. It's like a dark gold shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm going to pat that on first into like the tear duct area, and then I am going to go in the Zulu palette, which is, I'm taking this shimmery green color. And yeah, I don't do a lot of colorful eyes, but I'm starting to like it a little bit more now. So you might see some more colorful looks from me. So I go in with the shimmery green. And then I'm just going to go back into the Festival palette. Yeah, I was going back and forth between these palettes. These colors are amazing. And then I'm going to take that pink color that's in it, and of course everything, as I said, will be listed down below, like the names of the eyeshadow, the palettes that I use, because a lot of them I cannot pronounce, so, and I don't want to mess it up. But I go in with the pink color for my eyes, which looks so good, by the way. And then I'm going in with the Saharan 2 palette. And then I'm going to take this like teal, the shimmery teal color. Like this color, y'all, is super bomb. Like I didn't expect these eyeshadows to be so pigmented, but they are amazing. A lot of eyeshadows, you have to use like your finger to put it on, where it come out really pigmented. Like you can use the brush, as you can see, and it is freaking like still in the show. So I love it. So once I do that, then I'm going to go back to the Zulu palette, and I'm going to take that purple, and I'm just going to finish off my cut crease with the purple color. And as y'all know, purple is my favorite color, so I might be doing a purple eye tutorial. I don't know yet, but purple is my favorite color. And I'm just going to drag it all the way out. So at this point, I'm not going to go back in with the black, but if you do at this point, once you put the purple on, you want to go back over your black line just to make it more defined, you can. That's completely up to you. But it was really late at night, so yeah, I was tired, so I did not go back in. I have figured out I have to record at night because my children will not allow me to be great in the daytime, so it was pretty late and they were still up. So I'm going to go in with my NYC black liquid eyeliner. You guys know I love this stuff, but I may have to find something else because they do not sell it in stores anymore, so you have to order it offline. And some people said the formula is like different, it's not the best, so I might have to try something else. So if you guys have any suggestions, please comment it down below so I can give some other liquid eyeliners some tries. But this has been my like go-to #1. If you've been following me, you subscribe to me, you know Menace eyeliner go way back. Like this is my favorite eyeliner. but I'm going to just put kind of like a thin line. I'm not going to make like a thick wing liner. So as you can see, it's pretty thin. And I'm just going to clean up my edges with my concealer. And then put on some mascara. And I just got some fake lashes from like my local beauty supply store. I still will list it down below, but that is what I used. And I'm going to go in with this NYC white pencil just to make the eyes like pop. So I'm gonna put that in my waterline, and then I'm gonna go with the NYX Jumbo pencil in teal. I believe that's the name of it, but hey, it'll be listed. But I'm just gonna go under the waterline with that. And you can always use eyeshadow to go under it. It's your preference. So, but I had the pencil, so hey, that's what I did. And that's my eye look. And this is my finished look. I put glitter on the lips. But if you would like to see my full foundation routine, I do have a video and I will link that down below. And thank you guys for coming to my channel and watching. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. And I will see you guys in my next video.